Have you ever stopped to think about the way you talk to yourself? The words you use and the tone you take when you're having an internal conversation? It might surprise you to learn that the way you speak to yourself has a profound impact on your life. The truth is, your self-talk shapes your reality. It influences your thoughts, emotions, and actions, ultimately determining the outcomes you experience. So, what if you could reprogram your mind for success simply by changing the way you speak to yourself? Self-talk is the internal dialogue that runs through your mind every day. It's the voice that comments on your experiences, evaluates your actions, and interprets the world around you. Whether you realize it or not, you're constantly engaging in self-talk. And here's the thing: the nature of your self-talk matters. Studies have shown that the language you use when talking to yourself has a direct impact on your brain. Negative self-talk, such as criticizing yourself or dwelling on your mistakes, activates the regions of your brain associated with stress and anxiety. On the other hand, positive self-talk, like encouraging and uplifting statements, activates the areas of your brain linked to motivation, resilience, and problem-solving. The first step in reprogramming your mind for success is to become aware of your negative self-talk patterns. These patterns often develop over time, becoming so habitual that you might not even notice them anymore. Common examples of negative self-talk include statements like, "I can't do this," "I'm not good enough," or "I always mess things up." These thoughts might pop up when you're facing a challenge, trying something new, or dealing with setbacks. Pay attention to your internal dialogue throughout the day. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, don't judge yourself. Instead, simply acknowledge the thought and make a conscious effort to reframe it. Now that you're aware of your negative self-talk patterns, it's time to focus on the power of positive self-talk. Research has consistently shown that individuals who engage in positive self-talk experience a wide range of benefits. They tend to have higher self-esteem, greater confidence, and improved mental well-being. Positive self-talk can help you approach challenges with a growth mindset, seeing obstacles as opportunities for learning and development. It can boost your motivation, helping you push through tough times and persevere towards your goals. Additionally, positive self-talk has been linked to increased resilience, enabling you to bounce back from setbacks more quickly and effectively. Reframing negative thoughts is a powerful technique for reprogramming your mind. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, take a moment to challenge and reframe those thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? And is there a more positive way to look at this situation? For example, instead of telling yourself, "I can't handle this," try reframing it as, "This is challenging, but I have the skills and resources to figure it out." By consciously replacing negative self-talk with positive alternatives, you train your brain to adopt a more optimistic and empowering perspective. Over time, this practice will become more natural, and you'll find yourself automatically gravitating towards positive self-talk. Reprogramming your mind for success requires consistency. Just like any other habit, positive self-talk needs to be practiced regularly to become ingrained in your thought patterns. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to intentionally engage in positive self-talk. You can do this by repeating affirmations, focusing on your strengths and accomplishments, or simply reminding yourself of your goals and values. As you make positive self-talk a daily practice, you'll notice a shift in your mindset. You'll start to approach challenges with greater confidence, bounce back from setbacks more easily, and find yourself more motivated to pursue your dreams. Affirmations and mantras are powerful tools for reinforcing positive self-talk and reprogramming your mind. An affirmation is a positive statement that you repeat to yourself, often in the present tense, as if it's already true. For example, I am capable of achieving my goals, or I trust in my abilities to overcome challenges. Mantras, on the other hand, are short phrases or words that you can use to focus your mind and cultivate a specific quality or mindset. Peace, strength, and gratitude are examples of mantras. By regularly incorporating affirmations and mantras into your self-talk routine, you create a strong foundation of positive beliefs and attitudes that will support you in all areas of life. Visualization is a technique that involves creating mental images of the outcomes you desire. When combined with positive self-talk, visualization becomes an even more powerful tool for reprogramming your mind. As you visualize yourself achieving your goals, use positive self-talk to reinforce the belief that you can and will make it happen. For example, as you visualize yourself confidently delivering a presentation, tell yourself, "I am well prepared and capable of communicating effectively." By engaging multiple senses and using positive self-talk to anchor your visualizations, you create a strong mental blueprint for success. No matter how committed you are to reprogramming your mind, obstacles and challenges will inevitably arise. In these moments, positive self-talk becomes your greatest ally. When faced with a setback, instead of letting negative self-talk take over, consciously choose to reframe your thoughts. Remind yourself of your past successes, your strengths, and your ability to overcome adversity. Use positive self-talk to find the lesson or opportunity in the challenge and to motivate yourself to keep moving forward. Remember, every obstacle you face is a chance to practice and strengthen your positive self-talk muscles. As you make positive self-talk a consistent practice, you'll start to notice its impact rippling out into other areas of your life. Your relationships may improve as you communicate with greater confidence and empathy. Your career may flourish as you approach work with a more optimistic and solution-oriented mindset. Your overall well-being may increase as you cultivate a more positive and resilient inner dialogue. The way you speak to yourself has the power to transform not just your own life, but also the lives of those around you. By modeling positive self-talk and radiating a more confident and empowered energy, you inspire others to do the same. Reprogramming your mind for success starts with the way you speak to yourself. By becoming aware of your negative self-talk patterns, consciously reframing your thoughts, and making positive self-talk a daily habit, you harness the power of your inner dialogue to shape your reality. Remember, the words you use when talking to yourself matter. They have the ability to lift you up or tear you down, to motivate you or hold you back. So choose your words wisely. Speak to yourself with kindness, encouragement, and unwavering belief in your potential. As you do, you'll unlock a transformative force within yourself, the power to reprogram your mind and create the life you truly desire. Start your journey today, one positive thought at a time.